On today's episode of My Buddy Can Fix It Cheaper, this guy had his buddy do his window regulator because it had a rattling noise, and he just brought it in, said the rattling noise isn't fixed. He had the regulator done a little bit ago. Let's see. How did you miss that? The rear guide for the window, right? The window. That's all it was. Rattling away. And this dude did a whole regulator. Well, let's get this thing in. I'm gonna have to order a new one. It's like one bolt, and then looks like the other side just slides in. One on order, throw it in. Let's see. It was rattling away. Wow, it's like magic. Insane. Alright, it's obsolete, so just threw a little tack on there, welded it back on, and get her back in there now. Alright, slid it on up into the track. Got the bolt hole right here. We'll get that started in a second. Got a little electrical connector in here. We gotta put through the hole. Now we're gonna make sure the window goes up and down. Nice and smooth now. Way better than it was before. And no more rattling.